Okay, welcome to Smart Depot, and today is going to be special. Special is that I'm going to be unboxing this big collection, about 7 different items that I got from AliExpress. So to make it even special, I have a special guest that will be unboxing with me, that will be doing the unboxing with me. You want to find out who my special guest is? Let me show you just after this.
Hello, my name is Phil, and today we are going to unbox these big packages.
Yeah, so let's get right into it. Okay, so Phil, just unbox. Start bringing out the thing one by one.
Okay. What is inside this one?
We're about to find out. So when I bring it out, you will tell us the name, right? When I bring it out, you tell us the name. So let's open it up. I think I should bring a knife, but it's so easy to open. So, oh yeah, bring it out and tell us what is inside. Try and guess the name. Open. Open. What exactly is that?
Okay.
Whoa, the switches. So I'm going to show them what we want to do.
Switches.
Yeah, so switches. So
Daddy,
now,
why do you buy nothing for us?
hold on, hold on. So what the switch is for, so this Bluetooth has lights on that always stay on. So I want to use this switch to...
Oh, it's for your earphone.
Yes,
This switch is for your earphone.
Yeah, so this thing, I'm going to add one of them somewhere here or somewhere inside, and then it holds off, on, off, on, off, on. So I'm going to add it inside here. So make sure you subscribe to that video. I tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah, so you heard that. So subscribe to the video, and then we're going to do that together. Pearl, bring another package. Let's unbox.
Okay. Daddy, I can even open this way.
Okay, try.
Daddy, how does the place to open it?
You see, it's kind of difficult to open. So I don't want to give you a knife to open. I want us to do it with our hands together.
Yeah.
Okay, so bring out what is inside that one and tell us the name. Whoa. So this, yes, so this is a fast charger that you can work with a battery. So I'm going to show you how it works. If you have a big battery cell, like I have a big battery cell, like this. And then with this circuit, I can actually make it to be an extra power bank port or charger. But the reason I want to do this, I want to use it to build a permanent port in the car as a car charger that people won't be taking away. So this is going to stay permanently, because the one that I fix in, people do take it away. You go to the mechanic or somebody charge, keep misplacing it. So I want to make a permanent one in the car, give it a casing, and this will be permanent in the car for charging. It's a quick charger. Pearl, bring another one. Let's unbox.
Yeah, I can try unboxing this one.
Okay.
It's a roughly here.
Good. Now bring out what's inside there. Let's see.
Aha!
This is a USB cable. I got this one for your auntie, so she can let. See, they are always struggling with my long 5-meter USB cable. So. And it's micro USB, so I got them micro USB so that they can let me rest. Okay, let's open them.
Package.
Let's tear this one. This one is too soft. This should be the back panel of the. Hold on, let me open it up. Like, I'm going to use razor for this one.
Don't tap me that,
No, I wouldn't. So we're going to leave one to be holding it. Good. This is the little phone. So this one is like your phone, the back glass, Samsung S8. So you can show them. This is for your phone. Don't worry, we used to read Bible. You understand? So we'll put the back.
For me?
Yes, this is for you, the phone that you'll be using to read your Bible. New back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love it.
Good. So let's package it and keep it aside. So, okay, Pearl. Are you ready for this long one?
Yes.
Okay, let's open this one.
It's not even just 7. There's some remains.
Yeah, we'll bring it out. So good. This is LED lights.
Yes, that's what I was seeing. LED lights.
Yeah, lights.
That I cannot play with this squishy one.
Yeah, squishy one. I'm going to give it up, but let's open the light first and be sure that we are not breaking in the light. Whoa! LED light. So what are we going to do? We're going to plug it to this power bank and let's see how it lights up. Plug. And let's see. Does it work? Whoa!
Jesus! Looks like a magical, beautiful one.
Wow.
It's even facing your head. Daddy,
Wow.
let's do this one.
So you like it, right?
Yes,
See the light?
Daddy, let's do this one.
Okay.
We can do two, but there's two plugs.
Yes, there is.
There's so many plugs at your UB. What is this thing?
Power bank.
Power bank.
Whoa, we got two colors. It's
Green.
like Starlight, Star Wars. It's like Star Wars, right?
Yeah.
Do you even know what it's called, Star Wars? No, you don't. So
Star Wars is like Gen Night.
it's like a movie. So you see this. So who is tired of LED lights? I mean, nobody's tired of LED lights. So we love LED lights, and we want more and more LED lights. You can always play around with it on the studio here. Okay, so let's take this one out. Let's open another one.
Okay.
Go on. Hey, bring out another one.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Can I help you open this one?
Yes.
Okay, try and open this one.
Okay.
Okay.
This is
Whoa!
glasses. But what
Yeah.
glasses is this?
Okay, let's talk a little story about these glasses because it's not I don't have glasses, but this kit won't just let my glasses age in peace. This one still works though, but you see, the problem is that I can't actually fold them because I use glue to glue the edges. See, that's where the problem is.
Yeah.
This is the first one I bought. They broke it, I glue it. I bought the second one, they broke it. Now we have a third one. This is just to block the blue filter glass. So open that final one or the next one.
Okay. How do I open it?
Okay. Is that all? Yo, our box is finished. That's the last one. Whoa, this is my USB-C.
Click on that subscribe button.
Okay, so you heard it from Pearl himself, our special guest for the unboxing today. So make sure you click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon to get videos like this. Well, these are some of the few things we use. I use in the house. Sometimes we want to order one, then you want to get another one, then you want to get this one, then you want to get this one, all that. So little things. So we're going to do the next one we're going to do together with Pearl will be some of our tools, educational materials, toys, unboxing. So get ready for that. Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Good. Until I see you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace. Yeah. Subscribe. I see you.